What is in the box of the David Clark H10-13.4 headsets? We have both the H10-13.4 and the H10-13S here on the table. They're almost identical. We're going to show you what's different on these two and also what's inside. If you open them up, all you'll see is the headset. There's no case with these. No frills, no bells, no whistles. It's a very simple design box with just the headset inside. So let's take them out and take a look. These two headsets almost look identical, and they should, because the H10-13S is the stereo version of the H10-13.4. We sell a lot of both of these headsets to student pilots. This one being stereo means it has two volume knobs, one on each ear cup, instead of the one that the H10-13.4 has. You'll also notice the plugs are slightly different, where the mic jack is going to be identical as far as the O-rings and whatnot. But if you look at the headphone jack, you'll have an extra channel on the stereo one. So on the mono, the 13.4, you just have one channel and then a ground. With a stereo version, you'll have two channels, left, right, and then a ground. Both headsets have David Clark's big, thick, undercut gel ear seals that are really comfortable, and a big, massive head pad to help distribute the weight on top of your head. The mic booms are fully articulated, so they bend in every which way. They're also reversible, so you can flip the mic around to be on the other side of your head instead of always being on the left. If you happen to be a co-pilot, you can put the mic on the right side.